Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 6th chapter, the triangle and its properties. In exercise 6.5 we have the fourth question. Which of the following can be the sides of right triangle? Now there are given three. We have taken first 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. In case of a right angle triangles, identify the right angles. So this is the question asked. Let us check if three sides are given. So we are given three sides. One is 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and the third is 6 centimeter. Let us write the solution for this. Square of square of larger side or biggest side, largest side is equal to 6.5 square. Now 6.5 square, it is 665 into 65, or you can say 6 7 are 42 and 25. So you will get 42.25. Now let us check the sum of the squares of remaining sides. Sum of squares of smaller sides. Smaller sides. Please note hypotenuse is always bigger. So we take it separately, and sum of squares of smaller sides is we are taking separately. So this will be 2.5 square plus 6 square. Now 25 square is 625. So you will get 6.25 plus 6 square is 36. Now please note this is a decimal point. So if you add this, you will get 36.00 plus 6.25. So you will get 42.25. So this is equal to 42.25. Now watch carefully. Square of largest side is equal to sum of the squares of smaller sides. Both are equal. Hence, this triangle, if it is to be drawn, it will be a right angled triangle. So, the triangle will be therefore as as square of largest side is equal to sum of squares of smaller sides. It forms right angled triangle. Now second question is, in case of right angle triangles, identify the right angle. Right angle is always opposite to the largest side, so it will be opposite to right angle. Right angle will be opposite to the side which is lengthy, that is side 6.5 centimeters. Second is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now let us take the square of largest side. Square of largest side is equal to 5 square, that is equal to 25. Then sum of squares of smaller sides is equal to 2 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 4 plus 4 8. Please note here 25 is not equal to 8. Therefore it cannot form a right angle triangles. Therefore right angled triangle will not be formed. Dear friends, third question in the same question is, which of the following can be the sides of a right triangle? So first is given here In third question we have 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. Let us check whether it is possible. Now largest side among these is 2.5 centimeter. So square of largest side. Square of largest side is equal to 2.5 square. Now 25 square is 625, so we will get 6.25. Now sum of squares of smaller sides is equal to 1.5 square plus 2 square. 15 square is 225, so this 1.5 square will be 2.25 plus 2 square is 4. You will get 6.25. Now watch carefully. Both answers are same. So this will form a right angle triangle, and the angle opposite to largest side will be a right angle. So here it forms a right angled triangle. And angle opposite to 2.5 centimeter is a right angle. Dear friends, we have next question. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. Now imagine that there is a tree, or you can say like this tree is there, and this is 5 meters. At 5 meters the tree is broken and it falls down. So if it falls down, it will land somewhere here. It lands, or it touches, its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters. This distance is 12 meters and it is broken at 5 meters. Now we are asked to find the original height of the tree. Now see, if the height is broken at 5 meters and if the top touches at a distance of 12 meters, then total height of the tree will be, try to understand. So if the tree is broken at a height of 5 meters, so let AB be the height of the broken tree and AC be the length of the broken part. It touches the ground at 12 meters. BC be the distance where the C be the point where the point touches. So let us write this. Let AB be the height. AB be the height of broken tree. Or it is broken at this. And the top touches the ground at point C. So since it touches the ground at 12 meters, so we have AB is equal to 5 meters and BC is equal to 12 meters. Please note this angle B is equal to 90 degree. So ABC forms a right angle triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. And we know according to Pythagoras, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of remaining sides. So we will get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is equal to, we'll get AB square is 5 square plus 12 square. So this is equal to 25 plus 144, that is equal to 169. It means AC is equal to root of 169, that is 30. Now see, we have got this as 13 meters. Please note, this is the broken part and this is the height left after the tree is broken. So total height of the tree is, total height of tree, or you can say not total, height of the tree, height of the original tree, height of original tree, that is before broken, is AB plus AC. So it is equal to 5 plus 13, that is equal to 18 meters. Thus, the height of original tree is 18 meters.